Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2016 Great Dane 48 by 102 aluminum combo with a universal mounting kit on the back, prepped and ready for a Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, or any other forklift brand available out there. You can take a look at our website 99lift.com. Take a look at our available piggybacks that are for sale, and also our trucks and trailers. This unit has been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Kingpin structure inside has been rebuilt. As we come down the passenger side, we have a brand new buyer's toolbox. This unit is in excellent condition. Air ride suspension, new drums and brakes, aluminum outer rim, brand new rubber with steel inner rim. Universal mounting kit, adjusts for a Moffett, Princeton, and Loadmac. It is universal for you. Let us know what kind of lift you have, or if you're looking for a lift, we can verify and make sure everything is prepped and ready for your lift to go on there. Excellent unit, folks. 48 by 102 aluminum combo, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, 70,000 pound capacity on this 48-foot aluminum combo. Aluminum headache rack, excellent condition. Take a look at our website 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998.